Did you know you can earn hundreds of dollars from Amazon without selling a single product? Yes, no inventory, no shipping, no customer service. Today, I'll show you a simple method people in the USA and worldwide are using to make real money online with Amazon. So grab your green tea and stay with me till the end, because this could change your life. Part 1. What is the method? And 040 to 200. Amazon isn't just for sellers, it also pays creators and affiliates. Here's how. Amazon Associates Program. You promote Amazon products using your unique link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Amazon Influencer Program. If you make short videos or reviews, you can earn money by simply talking about products, even your favorite gadgets, books, or kitchen tools. And the best part, you can start absolutely free. Part 2. Step-by-step guide, 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. 1. Go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com. 2. Sign up with your email or Amazon account. 3. Pick products from Amazon that people love, like electronics, beauty items, or home tools. 4. Share your unique links on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or a blog. 5. Earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Tip. Make short, engaging videos. Top 5 Amazon gadgets or must-have kitchen tools, and put your links in the description. Part 3. Real example, 5 to 7. There are thousands of people earning $100 to $500 daily just by sharing product videos. One YouTuber earns $10,000 per month reviewing Amazon products. No selling, no investment, just affiliate links. So imagine what you can do if you start today. Part 4. Bonus tip, 7 to 9. Join the Amazon Influencer Program. It's like the affiliate program but better. You get your own Amazon storefront. Every time someone watches your video and buys something, you earn. Start making short reviews or top 3 gadgets videos using your phone. Consistency is key. Outro, nov horas, end. So what are you waiting for? Start earning from Amazon today, without products, without investment, just smart work. Like this video, subscribe to Digital Skillbox, and comment Amazon 2025 if you want a step-by-step tutorial next.